Well, we want to welcome una to our usual program. As usual, we are not say this time. We must bring una the program Have Your Say in Governance, the OGI OGPR, the program where they bring the government closer to the people. Of course, if you want to be part of this program, make sure say you call 076 470 400. You will be part of the program. And of course, don't forget the 644 toll-free line as well. Today we come continue to social accountability, but first we're going to look at a very important meeting will take place today in the State House under the OGI OGP. Therefore, can tell we waiting at the progress. Well, for talk on that, I get them right. Anna Jimmy, tell family Adu.
Family owner, good evening.
I like the style look.
Thank you.
Anyway, and then of course I get the executive director winner Haja Khadija. She say I want to let be Haja very soon.
By the grace of God.
Inshallah.
Yes. Today we look a little casual because the meeting with the Common Sudan.
Okay.
As you know, today we get the interagency meeting, Federation Link, all the station managers' name.
Alright.
So it's again the OGI. That's not the good thing about OGI. And people that they feel say OGI they pick on people them, but we know they pick on people. When President Nkrumah creates the OGI, create them for provide a space for Sierra Leonean people. For goodness sake, we get about 60, 70, okay, people then say now na 50 something, but me feel say 60, 70% almost of people in this country were illiterate. We not sabi read and write perfectly. We all know that. So if you dey run a government where you get 60 to 70% illiterate people that will not sabi read and write, you get for provide the mechanism where then people then they go able for communicate with government, where they go able to get closer to the government. Because man not tell you like for promote peace now any side as and they take away the OGI cap and they wear the activist hat. If you want peace any side, open a space for the one the way it be saying now the largest contributor na a government, because see when I talk about largest contributor, it can be negatively, positively, but the amount the Sierra Leonean people 60% or 70% are the largest contributor them to Sierra Leone, to now they make up Sierra Leone. So if that's the case, you therefore always find a mechanism where you go engage them. Where you not find that mechanism, therefore engage them, the 30% or 20% when are the educated ones, then go feed on that 70% or 60%. Then because they go find out say them people then gullible. Then you know when they talk they can able to turn them. So then they feed on them, and when they feed on them, then they go see those suffer. They manipulate information them where they lead to unrest, where they lead to confusion them. So for that reason, now that make the OGI day for create that mechanism where them people there, then contribution will be meaningful to the government, go be meaningful to society. Sometimes we can use a method when for expose the government for bring their contribution forward. Sometimes we can use after we get the feedback from them. Sometimes we can use letters them for waiting self, or sometimes we use social media, we use the website. So many ways that with that bridge, what would they mend that bridge for make sure say the two parties them where they want and then are they responsible for the welfare and the enhancement of the 70% their lives, and at the same time the 70% not them the cause of them. Now that make them they look at Sierra Leone and say Sierra Leone made of the population of Sierra Leone. Then self then get role where then they play. So today normally what we can do, OGI when they create them, the president gets the civil society, a lot of civil society people then they na Sierra Leone, then they in different groups. But OGI na a group where we say self by we self, we just now we na the paper pushers. Now civil society and media organizations them, they your responsibility now for make sure say they implement the OGI activities where make what they call them social accountability. So today we get all the radio station managers them. Na the district them. So district themselves na two, if na two radio station then they na the two radio station managers them. Like Kailan, you get SLBC, you get Radio Moi. We engage all to the program, the radio stations. Then are members of the OGI, the Federation Link, when na them Hana ki manage then Sundays them. So and like other like Magorka, we get Mile 91, the bigger towns, Radio Baft. Then we get, of course, the SLBC, where would they work with. So Bont, we get Radio Montego, now the island. Bontigo. Now the Island, we get the Voice of Women, now the mainland. So all the radio stations, then day to day, we get over 28 people them, not so 28 or 30, because the office na State House is full up today. It full up peeping where they all come today. What we can do, we can address areas them, issues. One major issue what we address na the linking process, where SLBC really sometimes some of them independent radio, because a lot of people then they say why the radio, why would I bring independent radio stations? Because independent radio stations not themselves they're trustworthy to the people the way they serve, because then you understand. So then are the one the way they out there where independent, somehow independent, where waiting and they think and they say waiting the people then they say now in then they transmit to the public. So we can see say for the first time in history, radio station managers partner with the Open Government Initiative for inform the National Federation Link, then the civil society components now in the national now they combine where they say Federation of Civil Society and Media Organizations. So today, the meeting, it come up fine. We discuss the linking process, with the challenges where they get now the district them with SLBC for link them through, because without SLBC, they're not able to link. So then they get any challenges, and as we approach elections, we want for continue with this program, this around Sierra Leone in 60 minutes. We also want to make sure say anybody when sit down na in corner, it no matter who side na that corner you feel say you go incite violence, you feel say you dey above the law. We know the radio station manager said the National Federation of Civil Society and Media Organization, they not go allow that. We go bring and can the open so that everybody go understand. So we discussed that day. Then the more other area back where we discussed that about few years ago, about a year after, about few years ago, we get the open data portal. And with the open data portal, we do as a goal with the blessings of the president, go source out the national open data portal, bring Kana Sierra Leone, and go back na America, go source the readiness assessment, where they call the ODRA. Because any side where they get an open data portal, you get what they call readiness assessment for assess the government and know who side they on their area and they on the technology, the openness, who side they. I go back, I go source them, fund me back for do that kind of program. They will pass them through the RAIC, right to access information, because that's they not be get activities them, then just form them. And a part of the OGP commitment them, the right to access information and the National Open Data Portal. So after that now, then they tell me, World Bank, they tell me, say, if you see una don't do this order, the readiness assessment, una entitled to a lot of things them. So there was a time when we can apply for funding. This funding here na income, na Ministry of Finance, and then give them stamp acronym pana now. During the time they not be get acronym. We they forced the struggle for survive. Now the money get an acronym where we not able to understand that English day. You understand eh? So now they don't transform. Because the people then come, then go more America, now World Bank, when they give the money, They come for can do needs assessment. For goodness sake, the one they will write the application form for men and give them the funding. When they say needs assessment, not to them for begin the day before self for do the needs assessment. But when the World Bank people then come from America, now America now are there. When they connect me to their finance now and ask what to make another part of the assessment. Before that, then go put another group. We don't get nothing for do with social accountability and what will they do? What is Sierra Leoneans? For the first time in history, OGI get what they call the National Federation of Civil Society and Media Organization. When this organization, it begin from UNDP, now when it come to we, now we decide for join them with the media. Every district get civil society they will connect to OGI. Every district get media people them will connect to OGI. Where we all together and are partners. So if we apply for funding, whose organization again will go able to defeat the formation of the Federation of Civil Society and Media Organizations? You understand? Eh? They don't convert. They don't convert them. They don't succeed yet. But then they can convert the social accountability component of the Open Government Initiative. It writes the real one. Even when they approve, World Bank approve, the finance people then come to me. They say, come, Khadija, do you come minutes for say you don't, they don't approve, you don't receive them, and you pursue. I get the signature, I get the minute, even the signature what I just put, they come back to me, they say, man, not just put signature, man, minute time. And minute time. When the World Bank people then come out, we don't know. Nobody don't know na OGI, nobody don't know na State House, na to themselves, then take another institution now and shove her inside because their institution, and the institution where they easily mingle, manipulate and eat the money. So now issue like that one day, because the thing is, if the civil society and the media they ask we say, Trade, we don't, and this is not openness, this is not open governance. I can for be open. If the civil society during the time when they apply, any time we hold interagency meeting, we own interagency meeting, OGI own interagency meeting, it's very simple. Now all the various civil society and media organizations them now they join together around the country and form this interagency meeting where we can all waiting that one they discourage waiting make form the federation, they discourage the elitists them where that organization they where just the President Kuruma they call them portfolio civil society them where just they not freedom. We now we not get mind just then at freedom because the person will form the OGI, he wants me each and every Sierra Leonean get hooked, get involved. He wants me the Open Government Initiative be a household name now every Sierra Leonean in heart or in house. So if they delegate today, that social accountability component, then they try for Willam to an organization and give them PFM or something, give them another organization. We not go allow that. We go talk. Now issue like that one day today, I get for brief the team where a while ago I been get for brief them on the steps they will they partake. And now openness. When you begin for take steps, when they be go tell me that World Bank, I go to World Bank, I visited so many times. I go talk to them. Anytime we all interagency meetings, we they give the people now a rundown of waiting and waiting we don't do and waiting at the expected, the desired expectations. So during that 10 day, if now they can ask again, waiting at the outcome of the request what we make to World Bank, I get the right for explain, for say, down the road, OGI name don't stop, don't cut off. Down the road, the Federation, National Federation of Civil Society Organization and Media Organization don't cut off. We don't know why, we don't know how. And pretty soon, them documents then they, if they ask me, I go make them available. Because when you say you form an open governance program, you can for be open. And if this time then they ask me for be accountable for explain which side the would they now with the program say what we don't say would they do program say what we don't approve when they will feel say World Bank don't approve when now don't can get another name. I get the right for talking. I just begin. So na part of the thing and so the rest and na Hannah been beginning the program, the meeting. Me just go in the middle of the meeting. I just go give me own part and I left them back with Anna. I left them back with Anna. Hannah complete and close. So he will give you more details of that meeting.
Okay, Anna. The meeting, go more into, of course, waiting actually when I discuss and then we'll look at waiting company.
Yeah, thank you very much, Dan. I think the meeting, on behalf of the director and the secretariat force, I want to tell the radio station managers plenty thank you because we get a very, very good turnout today. More than 90% of the team in the camp. And I think as a team, we all agree on certain things, especially the federation now. They ask some of the challenges they will face as in terms of getting a very good program. We discuss them as a team and we see how we could make federation better. We say 60 minutes around the country. One of the challenges the way we discuss with them are the fact say we get too much of the same voices every week. So we want for the year different voices and so we want everybody on board. So if we say we get for do every voice on board, now then they give you the platform and say, you know what, we dey call una every Saturday and tell una say we the reports. And they also get for the sending the reports them. So that are some of the good things the way we look and say yes, it will be advantageous and it will make the program better because one, we dey approaching any season and most of the time we dey try for call them. Probably the line or they go through or the line can they down. But if they don't send the reports, we don't already see the reports, then we can just air them online. And one of the good things that we come on at the meeting. And the other very good thing where we do, where I think say I will commend we all for now the fact say during this meeting we take the opportunity for let we interact again. How we they interact? We don't get regional coordinators them. Then they go and then districts and then regions there. So but not only they cover a district, so they go, then they cover a whole region. So then therefore gets for know you radio station managers them. So some of the we discuss very good things them. The radio station managers they know the regional coordinators, how then they team up with them and how they can bring them challenges come to we and how we they able for sit as a team together again for make sure say we address some of them challenges there so we don't they do. We also we get a very big issue where we discuss when are the facts what the phone stem. You know, so we don't give phone stem to the radio station managers there, so that we go able for get access to the text messages there, where we go able for analyze and we put on the website. This text message they come, and go to them phone so don't give the way they use during the radio programs there, so we go get access to their messages there, but we not be done to get the text messages there. Will not be done to get as much text messages there as we want. So now again we can sit down again and work as a team. How we they able for utilize this phone here where we don't give them. So that is a very good thing where we go move forward back. But I think then if I can stop here for now on the federation meeting, I think the next thing I will talk about is the social accountability. When at the 644 toll-free line. You know, I think we get a very serious complaint where come last week where we be say we go discuss. From Lunge we get a call where somebody called a report about a teacher where they show somebody during an exam. So when it's map na corner they call the 644 for make these reports, then some police can arrest them, say no for call 644 for make the reports.
Police arrest?
Yes, police arrest them because the call will do follow up and go back and forth. So once say the 644 not so like they try for which ones anybody, but we just make the public aware about challenges the way they go on and how the relevant authorities then go be aware of them problems there and how they will resolve their issues there. So that's now one of the main reasons they will get the 644. So that make we always they take the calls them, we enter the data and we can talk about an so. So that person wey dem be old na lunge, e no do bad because e no call nobody name. E just report say this dey go on, and you know say exam malpractice na thing the way we don dey talk about over the years, over the past few months dem. Na the different schools same. Then on another note again, we get the OGP process wey we don dey go through. We dey approach a time now wey na the mid-term self-assessment. We don go 1 year into implementation of this second action plan, and we don make so much gains inside the OGP process. Now people dem dey remember say for license and so for let them can learn from we wetin we be do during the first action plan. But as it is right now, we a bit stifled because we're not able to do anything with regards to the OGP apart from like holding meetings. But we need for do a national consultation. So now one of the criteria that we need to look at during the assessment. And very soon by the 30th of next month, these reports for don't go in. If we not send the reports in, we'd already get a minus in terms of implementation. And as one of the African countries, the way they lead in terms of implementation, where all the other African countries and they look up to in terms of implementation, you know, go find some of them gains that we don't make in terms of the OGP. Not for drop as a country, we not for drop at all.
But yes. Okay, but what I have to say in terms of this, because I can always say the first one, the kind of speed and zeal we get. So I wonder, Director, what's wrong with this?
What's wrong with this? We get so many factors them where affect the momentum this time. One of them na RAIC. One of them na because of the because when you get a project like them commitment them. You don't make the commitment, you don't get the commitment, you don't get and prepare them. The last thing I say one of them. The last thing where somebody because first of all, you know why I say that? The open data portal now in the reservoir for the OGP commitment them. Now in the basket, we say every commitment for go inside. If that particular portal there, you get people the way they continuously they suppress that portal they for me, survive. So you understand? They draw because the thing is they don't. The bottom line is then a part of the reason why the momentum and the OGP in terms of the commitment, in terms of because it's like for me, I not the tired because me know they ever felt tired. That's why they tired and the 10 and they wake up.
So they're ready for fight.
You mean they ready? You understand? But the mistakes that what we do now they talk about so because they are not open governance, we therefore be open. You understand? Then the other one is the funding. Now big problem. Because when you call the civil society for go do monitoring, they need transport. They need transport for go around and do the monitoring. Then number two, the commitments then this year, then different from the commitments then last year. Last year commitments then will be get the upper hand for send people then. For example, the integrity part will not be even know how for approach her. We go to the Philippines, me, the secretary to the president, and SDI, and of course former ACC that commissioner. We go for 11 days for go study how then they do the integrity part. When we come, now we are the first people that will complete the integrity part. Just like that. And we do them with flying colors. You understand? When they talk about the data back, the open data, I send a team now England will include a member from RAIC, include Hannah, CGG, and of course Masale. They go to England, they go learn how then they do the national data. When we come, not to data we get so they like it today, what they proud of. You understand? And OGP, one of the key elements for succeed by OGP now peer learning. Because not when we go through that festival, na Germany. That's why we
Yeah,
all
no,
go na Germany.
that's not
When
right.
we come, they go tell you again how for do the this data and this and that make you excel. You understand parenting and so peer learning per OGP is expensive because it require money for pay for people then for go learn and come back. But the two things they will they benefit from that peer learning. One, not to one size fits all. Not to all the commitments then are the same. This year we get the gender commitment, we get air transparency commitment, we get we get this wire what again are the
Recommendation.
audit recommendation commitment.
Waste
Then
management.
we get the waste management,
Climate change.
climate change. Then one and they all elections. Then one and they all now areas them were very very unique. We know one day deal with them. The areas the way we all look at and say more we improve. We know one day deal with them at local level. The only way we go get for land, we come back, we can turn into we own way. I go impact we as Sierra Leonean. Now make una for go and take people then for go land and come back. When they come, we sit down, we look at the style where the other people then get, plus we own style, we join them together like France, climate change. You understand? Eh? They don't call we but finances. We know they able for do then thing and they will not go. We know they able for go and land. So unlike last year, the the first OGP
Action
commitment there, the first OGP action plan,
yeah.
where we go at 80% almost success where we set record and the whole world, but now the all the OGP waiting of them. This one this time nobody no go no side for go learn nothing. And so we dey do everything what we dey do am cold turkey. We dey do am on we own. You understand? Eh? We dey do am on we own, and that one they say safe. It difficult.
Yeah, because at least if you don't go get experience,
Yes.
you go for computer
You
to
see,
practice.
you not get expert. Now the reason that they will make this money when they convert so na Ministry of Finance, I don't go sit down. Of course, if they choose for do that, then go do that. Well, I go speak out. Because we not come to them. We know the problems the way the country they face right now. We know it they happen all over the globe. But when we go now, we go solve something. Wait for the help we. What we not go need again for go take from government coffers. You understand? No stifle them. Nice finance don't do we. You understand? Now they can do we. When I talk about finance, the department were responsible for the aid. I don't say that code. That department were responsible. By next week I go able can't tell you that department today because the so acronyms. Mr. Sef not able to understand the meaning of their acronyms and they go find out. And they can't own. And I'm not ready for set months. Before that, because a lot is happening right now, we are squeezed to a point that if you not be careful, so in term and if failure, you know what make failure be an option. You understand it? When you don't begin something, complete it.
Okay.
But we are now at a point where if we not take time, we not go only fail, but we go also get a stigma behind we. And not of election for make we sit down, we not do what you supposed to do because at the end of the day, it is not how you started, it is how you end.
So in other words, this second commitment here, this second action plan, the commitments of it will still not able for with the struggle.
With the struggle, serious one. You understand? Then there's now in the civil society to themselves, then go come out, then go get ban budget advocacy network, go talk to Christian Aid give them small money. Because the thing is, they self get a role where they go play. Trade the last commitment, them in get we for support them. This time they not get we for support them. So they self take up on themselves because they don't want more go down again. Because the thing is, when in finance they fail for realize and then they go out there go beg money. If you not get credibility, if the international partners say they go beg money, they not get report for sure say we transparent as a country, we transparent when they promote peace. Now any country, you understand, we transparent and we also they promote good governance in Sierra Leone. It's very difficult for make we get that trust. For many international partners, they trust we for lend we money at a lower interest rate, or they give we money for make we move we self before. But they don't care. It don't matter to them. What it matter to them is make money they no more than converter.
So in other words, our government participation, because it's not government and.
Well, now, when I they talk about government, I they talk about finance, na part of government.
Yes, I know. What I mean, not to finance alone. There are other.
The departments, them, the agencies, them. Let I tell you something. The political will is there. Might not lie by you. If political will no dey, they like me job, I don't lose her. Like I don't lose me job. But the political will is there 100%. But the problem is when they say President Koroma, me I want me flag bearer, me I want me. Let we see who I want me flag bearer, and in connection to good governance na Sierra Leone.
Well,
You understand? When President Koroma want be leader, you understand and it deserve for be leader. Now that make you understand what I talk. Me they talk, I don't come for can speak for them. Me not only spokesman. You understand You see how it promotes good governance. Otherwise, I not gonna get job. Do you understand what I talk? If not, I for them at the hands of certain people who I know, like they know something like I did by them.
Why for this?
He go tell you say, "Kadija, go no more. They support you." As I bet no more, go call the Panama road people. They say, "Go take them." We don't talk. Don't take them.
They don't just take you.
No, well, you say
You got process. You got
you
process.
don't know. Now we they notice say process day, but before there was we don't even know say process day. We know people the way below the Pandemba road before, but now. Not to so.
Procedure day.
No, but that procedure and then they flunk, then still arrest you. Then they say, I don't be no self. Do you call for me this person, man, and left? But that's when they don't rough you now.
No, but I know the work again. Because you know the work again. The reason why
Never say never.
No work. Because you know the go old person no more. You go lock out. You know, because I mean we they grow. Things don't change, you know. And that'll be so again. You know, say first time we get people out there say, I will lock you up at where the key. You understand? You know, man, they knock chest. You understand? Man, they say, "Will you know when you go lock you up for nothing?" And then they happy again.
I swear to God, like our kids, you don't also talk something. By the time why they go down the step, they say you don't incite government.
No.
It may happen. It possible may happen.
Yes,
in President Koroma in watch, more face that than President Koroma in watch. It's difficult for me to happen because things like OGI, I don't feel say anybody they will troublesome reach OGI. Na government. You understand? But the thing is, the man is committed. You understand? For promote good governance. So my question now is, would I go commit himself like him? More begin see the preambles.
No, well, because you know say we're being governed by constitution. Now just be say. President Boma intended on somebody must come. And when I post in the must come, we must try for get them.
Now when not they talk to me, they have been talking about Timini. They say sweet dream and for the north.
No, well, whatever the circumstances, the constitution we have been.
We the Sidom OGI, OGP, nobody no ever grab and can meet OGI, OGP or President Koroma say, waiting you na president. Not to all things have person they run to and say, can't do this, and Mr. President, we need to forget this stuff. Not to all things person for see ourselves, for tell them so certain things and they where you don't need for no somebody for tinap and support and say this year is something where this man here so don't go all out for promote. Maybe be one of the ringleader them where they try for make sure say we sustain them in the country. Mr. President, what you want man do? Man be you foot soldier for make things they succeed. Not so Uda can do on one day.
Well, because now we no more. You just say
I not talk it.
all in fact all ministry they're represented by ministers. You get ministers there where they work.
Among the ministers there you get the one the way they na the way they in position for say you know waiting. Oh man, them people there they work is very important to society. It's very important to governance. You understand? For goodness sake, now we are the only people the way they translate the message down to the last person, where they simplify the message down to the last person, where they also analyze the message and assure una forget the feedback from the public when nobody know the day between. OGI na the only institution wey get that power dey for do that.
Yeah.
Not alive?
Yeah, no, because one way we OGI don't succeed is this citizen participation. Because sometimes the man will be in that last village Kubola, not they get information.
Yeah.
But now when you go meet them, call them in the town hall meeting, you don't give them information. They don't know what's in the happen.
Yeah.
So, and I saw it for be. And then they bring the success in fact when the first action plan because of the participation of citizens. But
now look at the citizen support card. Now the one because we get people that even na Guinea boundary where they listen right now, like how they talk so right now, the radio stations them. So radio the way they reach past Guinea safe. Reach Guinea, not so. So radio then the way they reach na Liberia. So radio then the way they reach far. They're all when the 2 o'clock the time reach now for have your say in governance, then get a radio station there for listen. When the time reach for Federation League, then get a radio station for listen. You understand what they talking? We all they make them because you go na Kailo, you go Kiziten. The radio station na Kiziten, the radio station the MOA and SLBC, then they talk, then they make people they listen, and then they translate what they say, but the language where the public they give feedback. We go allow the public for give feedback. Now we get the telephones them, Android phones. Out of we really and that's what we get. We buy Android phones. We give all the radio station managers them where then just connect na the line. Then telephone numbers them, the radio station telephone numbers them just connect them at the line and allow the public for feeding. But every important this trip back now now we don't go tie. Now we don't put and say, you know, go only center per OGI. Now when them go back na the radio stations them, then they take them phone them, then they plug them phone them to the system. It no matter, like na Africell they advertise for, then they remove them phone, then they everything where they go inside the end of the week, then just they press a button, they go up to a platform. This way, the government go they see exactly what in the public they feel at all time now in this treat them. What in perfect reach now and they. But some people in they treat OGI. You got me? That's how the entire for me. When first time they go behind me, then go meet the radio stations, then they say, hey, Khadija, just say they eat money. Then go na parliament, then go meet parliament, say, hey, Khadija, just say that so na parliament. But when they not succeed, the truth na they always prevail. They're not able to succeed for get me hooked up. Now that make us go na OGI as UNDP transfer OGI funding, OGI program to the government. Now I say me I dey be director, but I know the old money. I know they work with money. May the department, the office of the president, the accountant may be the one where they deal with me. That headache they may not get. I dey no more for talk bet, and I dey pa. I dey talk till I talk.
Okay, Anna, how this integrity pact, you know,
Well,
how effective? How
The integrity
effective?
pact, I think, now one of the most successful commitments in the first action plan, because quite recently you don't get other ministries, them departments, agencies where they opt now for get integrity pacts them. You know, initially when we start to be a pilot with 5-line MDAs then, but now you don't get small. When they 5 then they don't go, you get few where don't come back and say, no, based on what we don't see, we self want for implement integrity pacts. Like Sierra Leone Commercial Bank, according to the reports we get from the steering committee representative at the ACC, quite recently, you see say the Ministry of Agriculture, say then they sign integrity pacts. So it just shows say now one of the most successful commitments in the first action plan, because they don't take above and beyond.
Now local content I see no more they cripple right now. I don't know why. And I need for engage Konjo for see waiting they happen. For the open data portal, I don't see and USA Tapan and they right to access information, and they right now before that, then they run after open data. How you call and say?
Order.
No,
Open data portal.
the portal, not to the portal again. The other one way never mind.
We'll remember that
Yeah,
later.
we'll
But
remember that
what in we see? Yes, the Integrity Pact actually.
It don't go
will-
over
I
and
mean, the
beyond.
service charter. We see now most of the agency, the MDS, the amount, the service charter, them.
Single treasury account.
Yes, we don't begin see
Yes,
almost.
yes,
It done
yes.
done 99.9%.
Yes. So let me tell you something. If somebody come out safe, he go line America, he go because I remember when we first begin this OGP, what is the right to access information, law, freedom of information. I swear to God, the documents where they go show in America, they say 30 will not pass them. What will not pass them? One only year. Do you understand? So what the OGI they do? Things that strikes them where Sierra Leone don't take. You understand? OGP would they bombard, would they let the international partners know, so that whomever they talk in a corner for me they get a small thing because now that they want. Most of these agencies there, international partners, so now some civil society they want trouble in the country, so they go able to write the concept note when they give them money for can implement. So then when they sit down, they wait for trouble to happen, so that they go right to international partners, say trouble though, including their agencies there, because they're international partners there, because they say now they survive. You understand? So what we they say now na Sierra Leone, what OGI they do now, would they say, would they open to the Sierra Leonean people, make the Sierra Leonean people they understand the facts, the dynamics about how Sierra Leone they run. International partners will now know the strides they will don't make, what we don't put in place for sure. Say yes, indeed, we are competing with international best practices and standards.
Yeah.
Not so.
In the new action plan, you know, waste management now one of the key commitments them inside this waste management. We don't begin to see, of course, they launch the operation, you know, Clean Free Town. In your view, before I come to in your view, Anna, how successful you see that commitment be for let it succeed, because everybody need for come on board for let that they go succeed.
I think this that particular commitment they would only make headway on them, but it's not about waste management. It's about the milestones that we did under that commitment stay. Yes, waste management now something way as a country they battle for see how best to they manage them. But then waiting they happen right now, is it linked to the OGP commitment? This is one of the reasons we make. When we drop the second action plan, we say, you know what, we get serious of constraints in terms of implementing, in terms of actually making them commitment milestones there. So what do they do? Now we partner with the line ministries them, the line agencies there, what we call it implementing agencies there. So when we partner with them, then they make sure say they include them in the work plan. So when I get budget for or not get budget for them, they're not included in the work plan. It don't they part of the budget so then they present to government, and so it will make much more impact. And I find out say this time around it much easier a little bit, because in as much as the OGI not get the finances for implement, but then the implementing agencies then gets their own when they don't put under the work plan for the year. So we will only know how far they don't go when we get the reports from the civil society where they do their monitoring.
Yeah,
So based on their reports, they're able to tell you exactly how far
Right
in
now.
terms of implementation, then different agencies they are so they. But as I can say, we get not a waste management, we get a commitment, 2 commitments on gender. We get one where they talk about sexual violence. We get another one where they talk about access to justice. Access to justice now for everybody. You also get very good other commitments and stuff where I think say they make progress. You get foreign aid transparency. Where this say you say all the donor money where they come, you get for make them public.
Clear.
You get for make them clear. You get for get a conversation with the people where you want to go.
You not get for put acronym, but put acronym the way they make you not
Because
understand.
we don't begin see, in fact, like we talk about sexual violence, sexual penetration, we don't begin see some hard punishments, you know, we I feel to say first them they joke, you know, then they take a sweeper under the carpet. But now we see judges then they sentence somebody 30 years or life imprisonment. I feel to say that is very, very important, because if you see big man, you know, over 30, you go penetrate for a 5-year-old picking, you know, they need for make lay you all in a jail, you know. So I think to say that one day we don't begin see the judiciary actually, you know, they come up with that.
The speed of
yes,
justice.
And I believe say parents because most of the time they happen, the parents can want for sweep under the carpet because it can be relations.
And they intimidate them.
Yes, it can be some family relations, something a sister in Peking, you know, in brother Peking, you know, all them stuff then they. But if they're not the brand come, then it go look lost for us, it go look quiet for us, because I don't think to see you big man if I go begin the tamper with Peking, where you know say you're able for born. I think say that then you talk about access to justice again, especially
Now we get magistrates there all over the country.
again, judges then they.
Legal aid board.
Legal aid board, they really do a good
we
job.
don't begin see woman judges them, you know, they don't begin so that 30% one at the first for you know the cow small.
I see they say
you
na
know.
40% say once now.
Oh, they 40.
We say na
they don't get the
40%
38. The 30 don't reach it.
We say na 40%
Na 40 now?
once now, yes. Not to 30.
No, una try get 30 first. Then we wanna accommodate the 10%.
Today I dey plead the fifth. The Fifth Amendment now they plead today. I know they talk nothing about gender issues.
We don't talk about gender.
Yeah.
No,
So
no,
the-
no agree.
I don't say you want to in me ma talk
No,
and I
no,
not go
no.
talk.
What's the Fifth Amendment say?
The Fifth Amendment say if you want to talk, if you have to give statement, if you don't want to give, no give
So
statement.
now that Fifth Amendment,
Yes.
you
So
get a reason why you don't so you look biased because you know one for touchdown for a reason.
Because when you talk about 40, 50, me let them give it 20. Once the man them, they understand the culture. You understand? Where woman, the culture where they promote peace between man and woman. You understand? But that culture, they then still wait election. They can just so when they that if na tinap say you want stand election, you dey hear them they call them kolonko. You go no say we are still not there.
Yes, but then the woman is
You
going to
understand?
support the company woman.
No, but not to support you company woman. If you woman want stand or you want go do something, consult with you company woman the way you respect. You not go just tin up no more by yourself. You go tin up independently. You make a decision. Don't you expect me for go on board? No, it's not possible. You understand? Let we all go sit down and strategize. You understand? Me now no more. Anytime me if they make me president in this country,
All the man and they go jail.
then they go jail. I dey develop concentration camp for man dem no more.
So I think the man don't do nothing.
Like you no do nothing, you know wetin I wan do sef.
Now one no more
Me the day
exist.
when I go sit down say Khadija make dem make am president of this country. Yeah, because wetin I go do for us, I dey the concentration camp. Na there I dey go put all the man dem. I say okay,
With
make
the
woman.
exception of one.
Who that?
Who's that?
Me husband.
Ah, well, left me.
Yeah.
You man, na the holiday, na the same day next to the door, next to the domot. Don't when them go, why I put them there? I tell you, man, they all say una all come out more run Sierra Leone for like 90 days no more. I dey tell what would they go back for go take una go begin say no, make them send food for we no more. Like we not come on and do some of una we fear to woman them. But the one them way be say as they see woman no more, they say but this fickle minded they no sabi nothing. Now the one word that the way they get that na the disgraceful word that one the way they can use against women them. But then they fool, you know sabi nothing. But if man fool, some man they sabi fool, then they fool say you don't know who side they tap the fool one. But then they
You
talk.
know, since then I agree. Let's say the Fifth Amendment.
Yes.
Alright,
Okay, now I take
okay.
the-
Alright, Fifth Amendment now.
Yes.
Fifth
So
Amendment.
I know they say that.
So, well, we'll tell for round up now. So what's the way forward now? More socially out of that meeting. What's the way forward?
Well, we still continue with we program as usual. For tomorrow, we still call we radio station managers and because I know say Boku go then road, but then they go able for give it the reports them. But Universal Radio, the proprietor, the radio station manager, if volunteer in services and say go do a training. Because now we say because of the internet, make people and they do their reports and send them. Then we can just get the way we go do the program. So in go do the training of how
Do the package.
we dey do the packaging. Don't say that in the media terms.
Because
So
one
that mean I
reach
don't want
every
go too.
district
I don't
now.
want go too much in the media terms them.
Yeah, well, you na media post. You don't
Yeah.
know.
Well, no, well, in fact, that training day actually it needs to be organized. Not just so it needs to
Oh,
be
yeah.
organized. A lot of input for television, how you for report, the what you to look for, and timing again as well because.
All the one and then I think the way we address during this meeting also today. Now that make it say he get a team where he offer say he volunteer say he could do a training for the team and for make sure say we get a program. But tomorrow we get for call everybody again. We get for do more of calls tomorrow, probably like almost 7 or 8 people there. We will get for call tomorrow so that then we will for give it a feedback. Okay. Especially on this meeting where we get today, we see the thing about the meeting. In addition to waiting at the current issues they're waiting at the country, and also since the Have Your Say and the Federation link and a sister program there, we go for the link or two. So now waiting we discuss now, we can take her over to the Federation, forget more input on her, and make let people aware about the.
Don SLBC the other thing again, SLBC know the link, they know the simulcast as they're supposed to do.
No.
Now one challenge down the way they get.
No, well that's how it is.
Sometimes they pass na music then they play while the program.
No, that's no the program right now then the link. But no worry, very soon we must get new transmitters then. We different regions. We of course you go see like be all Guinea all the getting. So don't worry.
You are no clap. Just tell me say clap for that.
Yes,
but we wait for see that. But very soon. Another area where I want more we quickly hit. More we not to hit. I not see for because I not come for can hit it people. Another area where I want for make the government understand and make the government they focus on the fact that the citizens report card is necessary. Now Sierra Leonean people they want a report card on President Nkrumah. As election they come too close just now, some person they depending to who they talk to, then they begin to say all kind of things. But let there be feedback from the Sierra Leonean people. Where go be the baseline for the feedback now, the agenda the 2007 to date. Then the areas they we focus on now the agenda for change and agenda for prosperity. Okay. How it impacts Sierra Leonean people who side the president reach. We also will get for focus on this citizens report card there, can president in record. In political record, in human rights record, and everything record, even religious record. We go on for find out waiting how President Nkrumah live for the since 2007 to now. Okay. Now in Sierra Leonean people they want to see. So we now where they na authority, we get the opportunity for make that happen. That's the least you can do for make sure say things then tough. Things then tough. During the time before the war, things were tough. You understand? But the bottom line, the mistake then to now, they not communicate that with the Sierra Leonean people. And we own method, now a mechanism for communicate with the Sierra Leonean people and say we are in this together, let's struggle out of it. Let's fight and get ourselves out as a nation. Other than for doing in closed doors, you allow people then for talk behind you back. You allow people then for manipulate information because that's what is happening. Don't what you don't say this person not for say what you say. If you know one man say what you I want for say, why you know they open up so I go know what you they do.
Right. Okay, we'll go find time for that. We'll not get time. Not just get the last word. 1 second, Anna.
Well, I still encourage people. I still want to encourage me people for if you miss this program, you can go on our website www.ogi.gov.sl www.ogi.gov.sl. You can go on the website and download and you can see. And I think SLBC do live streaming on Facebook where I should say people let they watch. And also we get the 644 toll-free line where we still call ask people there for continue for call the 644 toll-free line. Or if you get evidence like video, pictures in support of what you they call for you want for report, send on the WhatsApp number when 076 470 400 076 470 400. And tomorrow morning down we dey on with the federation.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, if you remember you talk just now something.
No, you
about
have second.
You
no, have second.
3 seconds. You talk just now about somebody where they arrest because they make a phone call. I feel say if na video you video the act, you send them to 644. You send am to we WhatsApp number. It go be very very good. Me I dey ask Sierra Leonean people e easy if you na go around and video
actuality.
We want the actual information. It go easy for we make we expose that information there. And that one day we need for do. And next week we get PPRC. PPRC, then they come, the head of PPRC, they come to we na one of the most respected Sierra Leoneans them, na the country judges, former judges them, former judge, and now they work with PPRC and himself now somebody who very democratic when it comes to providing a free and fair share for every Sierra Leonean or every political party. So next week we get PPRC na studio, and after that now we go get suppose forget somebody again na studio on this waste management, clean air and climate change. It's very important. But next week I want to say hello. Me picking and they go this week Wednesday, and I want to wish them Mahmoud Fonti Kanu and Saidata and Fonti Kanu. So then they go. I want you sit down, you watch them and say thank you, goodbye, thank you for coming. Yeah. Yes. Say that, then they listen.
Well, goodbye, thank you for coming.
And safe flight.
Safe flight.
Okay, well, such here we go, beat back again. One for tell thank to Jawad, we come for assist we and Senesi Makavure with all the staff in OGI, OGP. Bye-bye.